Well, I haven't posted anything in a while. Been busy, like everybody else, but been hauling peas, and that's been a large part of what I do. We got all these big bank out wagons. There's a mother of them all right there. Never seen a bank out wagon that big. Holds 71,000 pounds. Show you how. Standing beside the tire, you know, it's just as tall as me. I'm 5'9", so some monster tires on there. I believe that's a 2-foot auger. So we'll load up this morning, go take it to the farm where they clean it, and come for the next load. Hope you all have a great day.